In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google search history. It's actually quite simple. All you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right corner on Chrome, and then next up click on settings in this drop down menu, and this will send you over to settings, and you can actually hit search settings. All you need to do is type in history, and once you do that you'll find clear browsing data, so click on it. Then you can select the time range, so last hour, last 24, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. And you can also choose to select any of this, right? So if you click right there, you can delete your browsing history, your download history, and all of this. So if you don't want to delete everything, you can just uncheck these and you can then do that. Now all you need to do is click on clear data right there, and that's how you can delete your Google search history. If this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions and if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.